Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture of Haryana GK. In the last lecture, we discussed about the drainage system of Haryana. Taking that forward, we'll discuss about the lakes and wetlands of Haryana today. This is a list of some important lakes of Haryana. We'll study them one by one. First is Damdama Lake. Damdama Lake is the biggest lake in Haryana, situated in Sohna, which is in Gurugram district. This lake is spread over an area of 3,000 acres. The Dream Island Adventure Resort is in the middle of this lake. This lake is surrounded by Aravalli Mountains. It is fed by monsoon rains. That means it is not perennial. It is fed by monsoon rains. Damdama Lake is 4 times greater than Sukhna Lake. Next is Badkhal Lake. Badkhal Lake is a natural lake situated in Badkhal village near Faridabad. This lake is fringed by the hills of Aravalli range. It got its name from the migratory birds that used to visit the lake. Mining activities around the lake and low rainfall have dried the lake. This lake is not in a good condition now. The Peacock Lake is another lake close to this one. Next is Sultanpur Lake. It is situated in Gurugram district and is also known as Sultanpur National Park. It was declared a bird sanctuary in 1970, and later in 1989, the reserve was updated as a national park. Kotla Lake. It is situated in Kotla village of Nuh district. Nuh is another name of Mewat district. The Kotla Lake is a lifeline of the Mewat region. The Karna Lake. It is situated in Karnal. The lake is also known as Karan Tal, named after Karan. It is a man-made lake created in 1972 and is built in a shape of circle. Surajkund Lake. As the name suggests, it means lake of sun. It is an ancient reservoir of the 10th century that lies near Anakpur Dam in Faridabad. The Surajkund was built by Surajpal of the Tomar dynasty. We'll discuss about this dynasty in the coming lectures. The water of Surajkund Lake gets dried up in summer and gets fed by monsoon rain. Surajkund International Craft Mela is held here every year. We need to take care of these craft melas or any specific details which is related to these lakes and the districts where they are present, nothing more than that. The Bhatti Wildlife Sanctuary is situated near this lake. Brahmasarovar Lake. It is an ancient water tank present in Thanesar, Kurukshetra. The Sarovar is mentioned in the memoirs of Al-Biruni named Kitabul Hind. The book by Al-Biruni, Kitabul Hind, mentions about the Sarovar. Its important feature is the holy seat of Lord Mahadev, which is a holy temple built to stand within the lake. Next is the Bhindavas Lake. It is located in Jhajjar district of Haryana. The lake is home to thousands of birds and it was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1985. It is spread over an area of 1,000 acres. It is the largest wetland of Haryana. It is the largest wetland of Haryana. We know that Damdama Lake was spread over 3,000 acres, but it is the largest wetland and Damdama was the largest lake. This lake attracts thousands of migratory birds in winter season from across the world. Next is Sanihit Sarovar Lake. It is situated in Kurukshetra. This lake is sacred reservoir of water that is of religious importance. The lake is considered to be the abode of Lord Vishnu. Sanihit Sarovar Lake is believed to be the confluence or the meeting place of 7 Saraswati rivers. That is why it is of sacred nature. Next is the Sukhna Lake, which is situated in the foothills of Shivalik and is situated in Chandigarh. This lake is a man-made lake that was built under the guidance of Le Corbusier, the main architect of Chandigarh, and P.L. Verma, who was the chief engineer. This lake is known for its splendid beauty. This lake was declared a national wetland in 1988. Next is the Bluebird Lake. This lake is located in Hisar and is spread over 52 acres. Shatwar Vatika Herbal Park and Deer Park at village Dhanshu, which is in Hisar, are near to this lake. These are some other important lakes of Haryana. Just go through the list. This is the name of the lakes, and these are the places where they're situated. Just give it a look. These are the lakes marked over here with their respective districts. You can go through them. Next are the wetlands in Haryana. Wetlands are areas where the water covers the surface of the soil either permanently or seasonally. They're turned into marshes, swamps, and consist of a distinct ecosystem. There are two wetlands in Haryana, Basai wetland and Bhindawaz wetland. Basai wetland, it is located in Basai village in Gurugram district. It is a marshy land spread over 250 acres. The wetland supports a high diversity of birds and has been recognized as an important bird and biodiversity area. The agricultural activities also take place on the outskirts of this wetland because the land is fertile in that region. Next is Bhindawaz wetland. It is located in Jhajjar. We just read about that. It is spread over an area of 1047 acres and is the largest wetland of Haryana. It was earlier a lake, later declared a wetland. Plant and bird species are found in this wetland. So these two were the wetlands, and we studied about the lakes earlier. So this was all for the lakes and wetland part of Haryana. These are a few questions, you can answer them, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.